Hey guys, I'm back for math, and today you have a review. So that means you are going to do this by yourself, okay? So what they want you to do is mark the figure that has the same attributes as the object. Alright, so this one, is it round? I'm going to do one of them with you. Is it round on the outside, like a cone? The reason I'm doing it with you is because it's a little confusing, because it does go down. And cones they are usually all the same size up and down, but they can go down at the bottom. I don't know that we've seen one like that. So it is making a cylinder shape. And what flat shape does it have at the top and the bottom? Okay, you've got to mark the flat shape it has at the top and the bottom, because it's got a shape here, it's got a shape here, and then it's got a side shape. Okay, that's what they're asking you for. Mark every side of it. So the cube, you've got to mark what it looks like. So the cube, it is what on every side? Every side is what? Every side is a square. Now look, the rectangular prism has a square too, so are we going to mark the rectangular prism? No, because every side of the square is a square. None of the sides are a rectangle, okay? So you're just going to mark the cube. Now, do you think you've got that? All right, just do the best you can. Mark every shape that you think it has. Don't mark any untrue shapes. Number 7, look at number 7 right here. It says circle each shape that will roll. Okay, if you could turn it, would it roll? Or does it even have to be turned? Anything that will roll, you got to circle it. On number 8, it says mark each attribute of the shape. If you need Mom to read these to you, Mom, that is fine if you read these to them. But at least have them read it with you, because they need to get to where they can read their math by themselves. Because next year they will need to be able to do that. So see if they can read it with you and then pick it out. It says color each figure to match the shape. Okay? If you cannot read this, you can ask Mom, but I know you can read this one. I know you can read this one. You may not can read this one. This one is a big one you might need help with, and that one you might need help with. Okay? I tell you what, I'll just tell you what they say. They say cube. What's the next one? Cone. That is sphere. Rectangular prism, cylinder. Whoops, cylinder. Right there. Cylinder. It's a soft C. Alright, number 13 says Dan traced the flat surface of an object on his paper. Now these are thinking questions, okay? So you gotta use your brain. He traced this shape on his paper, and what they want to know is what shape did he trace? Which one of those did he trace to make this circle? Okay? I do not want you to work it right now. I'm just going through the directions for you. Circle the one that extends the pattern. We did this yesterday. Remember, we numbered them. Every time it changes, you change its number. You change a number. If the number repeats, if it's the same picture again, you use the same number. Okay? All right. So you do that for a test, and I will check it and see how you do. And I'll come back with math practice. I'll see you in just a minute.